Viewers all over the world, I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution, otherwise known as GOMS. Okay, let's consider the next episode. And that is episode what? 47. The question says, for what values of s is the fraction s squared minus s minus 6 ratio 3, open bracket and close, s minus 4 equals 0. The question says, for what values of x is the fraction s squared minus s minus 6 ratio what? 3, open bracket and close, s minus 4 equals 0. So exercise 1. For what values of s is the fraction s squared minus 9s plus 14 all over what? S squared minus s minus 3 equal to 0. Answer to this very question is s is either 2 or 7. That is the answer to this very question. So let's go back to analysis and the solution. As usual, analysis. Analysis and solution. So to start with, we say that this question is algebraic fraction, and it's from the topic we call algebraic process. It's from the topic we call algebraic process. Okay, to resolve this kind of problem, you start by saying, let this fraction equal 0. Let this fraction like this equal 0. But look, the fraction or the expression can only equal 0 when you equate the numerator to 0. When you equate the numerator to 0. But how will you equate the numerator to 0? What happened to the denominator? You can only equate the numerator to 0 when there is nothing like a further simplification. When there's nothing like further simplification. What I mean is this: by the time you reduce the numerator, because this is a quadratic expression. Quadratic expression is the numerator. By the time you simplify it or you reduce it to a product of two linear factor, is there any way it can cancel out with the denominator? No. No matter what you do, it can't cancel out. And since it cannot be cancelled out, then on that condition, that you can now express the numerator equals 0. But you have to start by saying, let's just start by saying part 1 first. So you now say let. Okay? So what I have just done, I say let s squared minus s minus 6 ratio 3, open bracket and close, s minus 4 equals 0. So at this stage, all you need to do is to equate the numerator equals 0. But in doing that, alternatively, you can multiply through by the denominator so that you see how it will cancel out. This is what I mean. You can now say, which implies okay, see what I have just done. So I'm multiplying through, with the denominator, which is 3, open bracket and close, s minus 4. You can see, this is s squared minus s minus 6, times 3, open bracket and close, s minus 4, all over what? 3, open bracket and close, s minus 4. This cancel itself. So 3 open bracket and close, s minus 4, cancel this. Then 3 equals to 3 open bracket and close, s minus 4 times 0. So automatically what we have here is this. Okay, let's just put it like this, which implies, so this will cancel itself. Then we are now left with s squared minus s minus 6 equals, okay, so by the time this cancel is said, the denominator of cancel this, you are left with s squared minus s minus 6, which is this, equals, then this is 3 open bracket and close, s minus 4 times 0 will give you 0. So you cannot say that the numerator has been equated to what? 0. So I think I will start with our part 2. I think we will start with our part 2. So that is just it. How to start when a question like this is given, whereby you are expressed or you are expected to find the value of s, yes, in which the fraction equals a what? 0. He said for what values of s is the fraction equals 0. This is how you start it. So we start with what? Part 2. So thanks.